Welcome to Section 5 of our Amazon Marketing video training. In this section, we'll talk about do's to apply, don'ts to avoid, premium tools and services to consider, and shocking case studies. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Do's to apply. Getting everything right the first time that you do something is not an easy task. It's not healthy to always expect things to go your way, so it is always good to have some help in the beginning. Here are some do's you have to apply if you want to get started on the right foot. Niche down your audience as much as possible. You need to narrow the niche of your products and the audience that you'll target to successfully make money with Amazon. This also applies for keywords that you want people to see on search engine results if you want your Amazon affiliate website to be easily found by willing customers. Use the US Amazon site. Making money with Amazon is possible to people from all around the world. And because of this, non-U.S. people such as from Canada, Mexico, or Spain focus their efforts on their regional Amazon marketplaces. The problem with this approach is that unless you are promoting products that are heavily in demand in such regions, your profits can be lower than you expect. The best approach is to use the U.S. marketplace because it is reached by buyers from all around the world. Test everything. There is one marketing strategy that many sellers and affiliates tend to overlook, and that is testing. In the specific case of affiliates, testing doesn't mean doing extensive and complex A/B stuff. You just simply need to try different designs, ad copies, images, and wording, and then stick to the one that you see working best. Track your results. You cannot just guess as to what works and what doesn't based solely on the comments in your blog. You have to track the data left by your customers. You can do this by integrating a tool such as Google Analytics with your affiliate page to track the number of visitors, the bounce rate, and the click-through rates right after implementing certain changes. For regular and FBA sellers, tracking communications with buyers and review scores can be just as effective. Take care of branding. Branding is everything if you want to stand out. Branding yourself doesn't mean registering your business or affiliate website with a trademark. It just means that you have to give yourself a distinct personality in order to communicate authority. If you do not brand yourself, your products or affiliate websites will be just another one among thousands in a crowded marketplace. Take advantage of native shopping ads. Native shopping ads is an alternative way of monetizing a website other than with affiliate material. If you are running a blog where you want to review some products in between opinion articles, native shopping ads will allow you to place ads to promote products related to your content in pages that do not contain reviews or price comparisons. Promote your own products. Do you know what is better than earning commissions from selling products on the Amazon Marketplace? Earning a commission from selling your own products on the Amazon Marketplace. Yes, you can earn extra money when you promote your own products on Amazon. That means no matter if your product is a book, an app, a game, a shirt, or something that you are selling using the FBA infrastructure, you'll earn a fee on top of what you earn for selling the products. It is also an advantage to promote your own products alongside established brands, because your products will earn exposure by being featured in the same place where people land organically in search of offers. Leverage social media. Social media can be an exceptionally good way to promote your products or affiliate websites because social media tends to foster discussion groups dedicated to niche markets and niche products. Remember that your approach to promoting stuff on social media needs to be focused on the user experience and on what people want. The other good thing about using social media is that you can see how people are commenting in a niche before you decide to promote it. And you can also see what people think about certain brands and products without having to wait for a review in the marketplace. Automate as much as you can. The idea behind becoming an Amazon seller or affiliate is to create a passive income stream. This means that you'll become an Amazon merchant or affiliate to make money within the platform without putting too much of an effort into it. To do this, you need to automate as much of the process as possible. Online tools such as the Easy Zone plugin and dropshipping services can help you set your Amazon business on autopilot. Use your own images. Using your own images instead of the ones offered in the default linking options can give you much more control over how your images fit the overall theme of your affiliate website. You can also control placement and presentation. The same thing applies to stuff that you sell in the marketplace. Don't settle for templates only. Don'ts to avoid. There are some easy pitfalls when it comes to being involved in affiliate marketing. Hopefully, we have collected some good advice to help you avoid some common Amazon affiliate mistakes. Don't distract your customers. Make sure that your product presentation website or your affiliate website passes the 5-second test. That means if a visitor does not understand your website within the first 5 seconds after he or she sees it, you need to redesign it. Otherwise, you might be losing money. Don't mess too much with native shopping ads. While native shopping ads can be a great way to monetize your affiliate website besides your affiliate links, do not rely too much on them. You can make navigation on your page annoying. Use only recommendation ads in places where you don't have affiliate links and call it a day. Don't forget about offering value. The most important thing that people will find on your product or your affiliate reviews is not the number of affiliate links or products that you offer. It is the value of helping them make a decision. Remember, people will land on your service, product page, or affiliate blog ready to make a purchase. You just have to push them to make it. Don't just set it and forget it. It is true that we talked about the importance of automating the money-making process, but automation does not equal neglect. Automate the process, but make sure to pay special attention to how you present your content, particularly during heavy shopping seasons like the holidays. Don't forget about the details. Sometimes the smallest details are the easiest to overlook. Stuff such as titles, developers, company names, authors, formats, sizing, year of manufacturing, and conditions can have an impact because you never know when someone is looking at some of those details. Enthusiasts and collectors always look for details related to release dates and formatting. For example, help them find what they are looking for by including those details right in your descriptions and reviews. Don't use exact matches for your domain names. Using exact matches as domain names is when marketers use the exact name of a product or service as the domain name for their affiliate websites. This will not necessarily help you reach the top spot on search results, and you would benefit better by going after something more specific related to your niche and its audience. Don't rely too much on paid advertising. Paid advertising can leave you out of the game easily if you don't exercise caution, because it can eat up your budget on a whim. It is better to just focus on branding, value, quality, service, search optimization strategies, and picking good niches. If you have those right, people will promote in your favor. Don't stick to a single traffic source. Sticking to a single source of traffic can be as defeating as not tracking and optimizing your descriptions or affiliate offers regularly. There is a reason why the most successful sellers and affiliate marketers tell you to work on multiple product variations or affiliate websites at the same time, even if you offer the same type of stuff on each instance. By getting traffic and prospects from different sources through different channels, you can see what works best, so you can ultimately narrow down your options and adapt accordingly. Don't go into oversaturated niches. While one of the best strategies is selling and promoting best sellers and top-rated products in the Amazon marketplace, it is good to remember that some really popular products have saturated the market. This means that you might be out of luck if you decide to only sell or promote smartphones, for example. Focus on niches that are unlikely to saturate the market. Don't try to do everything at once. If you are succeeding with Amazon now, concentrate on getting better and making more money from it. Remember that Amazon is a household brand. You don't want to risk losing it as your business partner. Premium tools and services to consider. Here is a list of some of the best online tools to use with your Amazon affiliate website. The Amazon Seller App. The official Amazon app for mobile platforms is here to make your life easier by allowing you to manage your business on the go and from just about anywhere. With this app, you can easily fulfill orders, find new products to sell, manage offers and inventory, and keep in touch with your customers 24/7. FBA Revenue Calculator. The FBA Revenue Calculator is great whenever you need to crunch your numbers. As you've seen so far, finding out how much revenue you can make on specific products is not easy because of the many factors to consider, such as fulfillment and packing costs. The FBA calculator is available to FBA sellers, so they can calculate their revenue, their costs, their seller proceeds, and their net profits. Repricer Express. Repricer Express is a tool for Amazon sellers that want to keep a competitive edge by automating their listing prices. This tool scans the marketplace to compare prices on items similar to the ones listed by Amazon sellers. Repricer Express then goes to price fluctuation history in the marketplace and automatically adjusts the price of listings to give its users the top spot on marketplace results. Feedback Express. Feedback Express is another tool that automates another hot topic among Amazon sellers: feedback. Seasoned Amazon sellers know very well that getting the correct rating on Amazon can be a tricky task, especially because customers tend to forget about a purchase after receiving their items. Feedback Express automates this process by getting in touch with customers to ask them in a very effective yet subtle way to leave feedback for their recent purchases. It doesn't get any easier than this. TaxJar. You'll be surprised to learn that a whopping number of Amazon vendors don't think about how taxes weigh in when it comes to their finances until they are discounted from their revenue. TaxJar is a tool that will help merchants easily save hours and eliminate sales tax headaches by allowing them to finish their sales tax forms in minutes and use the auto-file system to never miss a due date, among other benefits. Ali Inspector. A lot of Amazon vendors use the AliExpress Marketplace and Alibaba.com to find deals to sell in bulk in the Amazon Marketplace. Yet it can prove daunting to do this the traditional way, with buyers scrolling and searching among the many providers, looking for the best bang for the buck. Ali Inspector takes care of this by analyzing the best sellers in the Chinese marketplace, generating niche keywords, and uncovering the potential for top-performing dropshipping products automatically. Helium 10. Helium 10 is a tool that will fully automate your Amazon Marketplace tasks. It will allow you to do hours of repetitive tasking in mere seconds thanks to its powerful software engine. It will watch your competition to show you which keywords they are ranking for the same products that you sell. It will help you find profitable products and determine which keywords not to use. It comes bundled with trend analyzing tools, keyword research tools, a misspelling extractor, keyword processor, listing optimization tool, and more. Shocking case studies. These are some of the companies and individuals that have made it big with Amazon. These are the success stories that serve as examples, so you can see how hard work can have amazing results. ExportX. ExportX is a company that specializes in the introduction of novel products into untested markets to facilitate exports between customers in a more globalized market. The objective of the company was to use innovation to provide certain types of merchandise to people in countries where such goods would not be available otherwise. The company used the sponsored products feature in the Amazon Marketplace to position locally produced products in foreign marketplaces, such as in the UK, Canada, and Germany. Results. The company is currently running 90 successful sponsored product campaigns around the world, with 25% of sales from those sponsored offers made in international markets. 6waves. 6waves is an internationally recognized brand in the social gaming sphere. It is mainly a developer and publisher known in the Facebook platform. 6waves wanted to change the way they were managing their services. They were once limited to physical servers, which brought in a lot of constraints to the way they operated. 6waves migrated to Amazon Web Services to take advantage of the technology that the services built its reputation upon, mainly elastic load balancing and security groups to control access. Results. The company says that things are totally different now. They can easily pull data from the Amazon servers by simply customizing their own server image. They don't have to worry about migration and updating issues, and all of this means that their business has reached a scale not possible for them before. Muddy Puddles. Muddy Puddles is an online retailer based in the UK that sells outerwear designed for children. They specialize in outerwear that protects kids from harsh environmental conditions, such as cold and rain. The company's objective was centered on decreasing the number of customers leaving the checkout process without completing their purchases. Strategy. They implemented Pay with Amazon to allow customers to purchase from their e-commerce store using their Amazon credentials to facilitate checkout. Results. Muddy Puddles saw its drop-off rate decrease by 40% when they integrated Pay with Amazon in their storefront. This also increased conversion rates by 15% and annual revenue by 5.8%. Axiom. Axiom is a U.S.-based company that works with marketing and business data analysis. It processes over 30 million data records each month. Axiom's objective was to reduce the number of accuracy discrepancies caused by its optical character recognition system by outsourcing manual transcription of records to skilled human workers. Axiom leveraged a task force comprised of 125 human workers in the Amazon Mechanical Turk platform. ensuring at the same time the quality of the output through an automated process. Results: the company saw a 50% reduction of costs on verification only, which incidentally also helped to cut on transportation costs. Aboff. Aboff is an Indian e-commerce venture founded in 2014. They are the leading provider of footwear, clothing, and accessories for women and men in India, and they are using the Amazon.com infrastructure to distribute their merchandise across 500 cities in India. The company established that the way to run their business was not through physical servers, which could slow down their operation. The company chose to use Amazon Web Services to host its online storefront because of the optimization promised by the cloud and the array of services put at their disposal. Results: thanks to the platform's fast load times of up to 1.5 seconds per page, Aboff saw a surge in sales through its online channel that registered a whopping $14.8 million annual gross merchandise value in its first 90 days after launch, with a cool 20% in repeating purchases from repeating customers in the same period.